Bird dog. Come onto the floor into tabletop. Make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders and your knees are directly under your hips. Slowly raise and strengthen your right leg behind you until it is parallel to the floor. With your right leg still raised, raise your left arm in front of you. Come back into tabletop. Repeat using the opposite arm and leg. Slowly raise and strengthen your left leg behind you until it is parallel to the floor. With your left leg still raised, raise your right arm in front of you. Come back into neutral tabletop. Bird dog.